If you are still confused between DASS and DASS, this video will fix it permanently. And after today, you will never mix them again. Let's go. Let's start with DASS with one S. DASS has three functions. First, it could be an article. For example, das Haus ist groß. The house is big. Here, das Haus means the house. Second, it can replace a noun. Das ist gut. That is good. Third, it can connect a relative clause. Das Buch, das ich lese, ist spannend. The book that I am reading is exciting. Now let's look at DASS with double S. DASS is a conjunction. It connects two sentences. Ich weiß, dass du müde bist. I know that you're tired. Notice something important. After DASS, the verb goes to the end. Now test yourself. Which one is correct? Ich hoffe, du kommst. Correct answer. Das kommst is at the end. If German finally feels logical, subscribe. This is how natives actually think. Thanks for watching.